It's not a fish. What? It is not a fish? Nope, not. What? Oh, what is that?
It's a little crawfish.
Where'd you get him again? Oh, he's back. He's back.
This little thief, man.
Oh. Look at he's a fast loader.
Good catch, Judson. Good job, dude. I somehow forgot the key to my tent at home, so I just kind of pulled down, pushed in, and pulled this out, and I got both of them off. Don't know how I forgot the key, but whatever. It has these straps, so for getting it home, just relying on those won't be a big deal because they do most of the work anyways. So, should be good. Dibs.
I fell back on this one.
Don't fall back in it.
Mom, I'm running this other.
I know, I see. You're getting away.
They're over there looking for rocks at the moment. as you do. Chicken is almost done, and then once the chicken's done, I'll get started on all the noodles. And hopefully I can hurry up because we only got like 30 more minutes of light. I never used to use this to cook, but after I didn't feel like bringing my grill the last couple times, and I've just used this, it's just a lot easier. So I've been enjoying it. Should probably order that thing that they have that sits on the top that acts like a little grill though, so that way my pan doesn't slide around. One of the most underrated kitchen utensils for camping is just one of these little scrapers. And this one's from the dollar store, so it's not the best, but it'll eventually get it. When you're making an Alfredo sauce, one of the best things you need is a nice starchy water to work with as your bit. What the heck is this dude? I got nothing for you, my guy. Oh, okay. Okay, that's interesting. Anyways, a really starchy water. So even if you're not gonna like use all the noodles, it's a good idea to put a lot, just so that way you get all that extra. Pro tip from an Italian. Get more of this water out of here, get these noodles a little bit more tender, and then we'll get working on that Alfredo sauce, but we're gonna cook it all in there together. We're not gonna take out the noodles or nothing. Once the Alfredo sauce is done, throw in the chicken, cook it just a little bit more all together. Get our chicken in.